Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money-making application that is going to pay you out in cryptocurrency for simply playing games. And I'm about to show you payment proof in this video to show you that this application really works. And on top of that, I'm going to show you how easy it is to start making some money with this method. So let's get started right away with today's money-making method. So first off, I want to show you the payment proof right here, guys, so you can actually see that this is working. So as soon as I actually signed up for this actual game, and I've actually played other games with this actual company itself, because I'm pretty sure you guys remember this logo. And if you haven't, I think it's Be Fast, Be Free, and E Fast, E Free. So I have talked about this company in the past. They actually have some other games that you can play as well, guys. And I'll be leaving the links down in the description of this video. And it says, thanks for downloading Crypto Rise. We are 100% legitimate. Remember to invite friends to earn points from your referrals. So I'm going to leave my link down in the description right now, guys. So go down there, click on it, check it out, and let's get started with today's method. So first off, this is one of the applications right here. So I'm going to show you the brand new application in a minute. So I just want to show you that these are the other money making applications that actually work with the same person. And you seen the logo at the beginning, guys. As soon as I loaded up the application, the logo was there. So all you have to do is just sign up right here, guys. It can either be with your Google accounts or your Facebook accounts, and you just got it, or you can create your own Coinbase account as well. So this is how you're going to get paid out, is through Coinbase. So I'll leave the Coinbase link down in the description, and this is an easy way you can make money with this one application. So let me sign in real quick. So as soon as you sign in, all you have to do with this application is just click on go, and you'll get sent and led to an advertisement. Once you finish the ad, you're going to get some points. So as you can see, it says one video rewarded for 1 energy point. So if we click on OK, we're going to get a free points right there, guys, for just clicking on that one button. Now we're going to get 5 points for just watching this advertisement, and that is how they make money. So that is how easy it is to make money with that one application. And the other one is just the same exact thing. This one I believe pays out in Bitcoin, and the other one pays out in Ethereum. They're the same thing, guys. So this is the same exact thing. It is called eFast, eFree, and again, the links are down in the description so you can get started right now. So these are the two applications that actually pay you out to Coinbase for doing some easy and simple tasks. So now let me show you the brand new money-making application that pays out just like these. So this is the application right here. You can see the same logo, guys, on every startup of those 3 money-making applications. So now let's show you how this application actually works. So this is the application right here, and all we have to do in order to play on this app is click on that button. It has a video on there. So that is how they make their money, and that's how they're able to pay us out in cryptocurrency so we can start to make money. And if they're making money, then we are making money, guys. So let me let this finish playing out. So after you have watched the video, guys, this is what's going to be shown after that. Now this is how easy the game is. You just pretty much click on any logo of cryptocurrency. So we have Ethereum there, we have Litecoin, we have XRP, we have Bitcoin, and I'm not sure what this S one is. I cannot remember what logo that is for the cryptocurrency, but it doesn't really matter. We're here to play games and just match and click on these. So what the game is, the purpose of this is to actually take away all of these without leaving any inside of this box. So let me go ahead and get started and showing you how this actually works. So the more you can get together, I think it's more than 5, you'll be able to get like a bomb and destroys everything around it. So as you can see right there, it just destroyed it. Now what these gems do, it destroys everything in that one line. So as you can see, it destroyed everything in that one line. So that helps us out and more chances for us to get more money, guys. So now what we have to do is just keep finishing this up and keep on doing it as much as possible. So as you can see, I had like 4 or 5 Litecoin, I believe, right in one row, and it gave me an extra bomb. So the more you can actually combine together, the more prizes or the more specials you get. So this is a cool application, so you can try to test your skill on getting some free money, some free cryptocurrency by actually playing a really decent game, guys. So now we have 2 bombs and we have 2 of those jewels. So now let's explode everything so we can get even quicker and faster to our money, guys. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to finish and playing up these games. If you're just one of those people that just want to make money, just tap on the screen a lot, but I would highly recommend you guys trying this out and actually taking the time to get as much of these completed so you can get more cryptocurrency, because the more you have left on the table, the less cryptocurrency you would actually earn from this application. So as you can see, I had a lot more left. So now it says right here, level 0 out of 3 completed. You have earned 193 points, which is not that bad at all, guys. That is some free money going inside of my Coinbase account. Now I can withdraw this once I reach the minimum withdrawal amount, and it's super easy to make money from the application, guys. I just showed you that right there, how easy it was to start making some free cryptocurrency. So you can see the other two money making applications that I was just talking about right there at the top left hand corner, right underneath where it says 591 stars. So you can see Be Fast Be Free and eFast E Free. You can also come over here to the right hand side of the screen and click right there where it has like a little check mark. It says win 3,000 or 30,000 points, you must complete a survey to end for the rewards. So you have to complete surveys on this in order to get more points, but I would not recommend you guys doing that. I would just stick to playing these games and start making some free money. Now, in order to withdraw, you have to click on those stars in the top left-hand corner. And once you watch this ad, then we can skip that real quick. And now you can withdraw your money right here, guys. So you can see it has referral points. We have referrals, promotional code, and claim. So we can claim our money right there, and we can choose the cryptocurrency. So now we can choose the cryptocurrency that we want to cash out with. So I'm just going to choose, let's say Bitcoin. I'm going to choose Ethereum, guys. So let's claim that out to Ethereum. Now it says right here, are you sure you want to claim 591 points in Ethereum? Remember, points is different than Satoshis. To prevent spam, only withdrawals are allowed every 3 days. So if we just click on claim, guys, we're going to get led to another ad. And then after that ad, we're going to get the money sent to our Coinbase account. Show you something really insane is I have recently just made this Discord channel for all of us to come together as a community and start talking about money making methods and money making applications and everything money, guys. I want to start helping you guys out with the motivation to get started making money as well. So I have its own little channel inside of this Discord, so you can start learning and getting motivational quotes and motivational videos right here, and so you can start to change the way you think and eventually possibly be this billion-dollar guy right here called or named Dan Pena. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.